in present indefinite tense. Dear students, now look at the past tense. Here I have written 3 sentences from past tense. First one is I played football, written in past indefinite tense. And if we write passive form, then it will become football will be the subject. This object will become subject. Here I am writing football. Then you have to use auxiliary verb. In past indefinite tense you have to use was and were. So I am writing here was, and first participle form of the verb here played is written, and played is first participle form of the verb play is also played, and that's why football was played. Football was played. Here subject is I, so this I will be me. Means football was played by me. You cannot use me only, but before this me, before this objective form of the subject, you have to use by. Sometimes you have to use with or at or to, and I will clear you later. Dear students, the second sentence is written in continuous tense, first continuous tense. I was playing football. What do you mean by I was playing football? It is written in present first continuous tense. When it is written in present first continuous tense or any continuous tense, you have to use being. If you see the present continuous tense or first continuous tense or future continuous tense, then when you are changing, when you are making it passive, when you are transforming it into passive, then you have to use being. Obviously you have to use being with auxiliary verb. Here I will write I was playing football. Football will be the subject. Dear students, this is passive, and football was, you have to write was, because football is third person singular, so you're gonna write where. So football was, and then you have to use being because it is continuous tense. So football was being. Football was being. Then first participle form of the verb. What is the verb here? Play plus ing means playing. So you have to use played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. Football was being played by me. This is the first continuous tense. In first perfect tense you have to write I have played football. Then you have to write football because this is the object of the sentence, and this object will become subject. So here football is written. Football had been. Then first participle form of the verb is played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played means football had been played by me. These students, I want to make sure that you have understood, and that's why I'm writing in short. In first tense you have to use first in first tense and in passive form. First tense you have to write. In first indefinite tense you have to use first indefinite was, were plus pp means first participle form of the verb. In first continuous you have to use was being and were being plus pp, and in first continuous tense, first perfect tense, you have to use had been. Dear students, I have written here auxiliary verbs of first tense. Means if you see the active voice in first indefinite, then you have to use was or plus pp when you were transforming it into passive voice. Then if you see first continuous tense means in front of you in your question paper, if you see that one sentence is written in first continuous tense and you are going to make it passive, then you have to remember one thing, that you have to write was being or were being plus pp. Means pp means first participle form of the verb. In all the sentences when you are making passive, you have to use first participle form of the verb. Don't forget this. And the next one is past perfect tense. In past perfect, if you see that the sentence is written in present past perfect tense, then you have to use auxiliary verb had been and plus pp. You have to remember this, dear students, and hope you have understood.